Good day, everyone. For today's lesson, we are going to explore a very meaningful story entitled The Little Prince. Although many people think that it's only a children's story, it actually contains deep reflections about life, adulthood, relationships, and human connection. As we watch the film adaptation later, I want you guys to remember this line from the story. What is essential is invisible to the eye. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng mahalaga ay nakikita natin physically. Some of the most important things in life, such as love, friendship, trust, peace, and genuine connection, cannot really be seen by the eyes, but they can be felt deeply by the heart. One of the central messages of The Little Prince is how adulthood changes people. Habang tumatanda tayo, we become busy with responsibilities, work, expectations, and problems. Sometimes, adults forget how to appreciate simple things. They forget how to dream, how to imagine, and even how to genuinely connect with other people. In the story, many adults are portrayed as people who are too focused on power, money, achievements, or routines. The little prince becomes confused because adults often prioritize things that do not truly make them happy. And maybe, if we think about it carefully, this also happens in real life. Some adults become so busy surviving that they slowly lose the things they once loved. Some forget their dreams, some become disconnected from themselves and from other people. But the story also reminds us that growing older doesn't necessarily mean losing our humanity. As you watch the film, I want you to reflect on these questions. What do adults lose as they grow older? Why do many adults seem lonely or disconnected? Can a person grow up without losing their sense of wonder and kindness? What truly matters in life? After watching the film, you will conduct a simple but meaningful interview with an adult, not a college student. This can be a parent, teacher, relative, neighbor, or any working adult. This activity is not simply about completing an assignment. It is about listening to real stories and understanding the realities of adulthood from another person's perspective. You may ask them questions such as, what is the hardest part of being an adult? What dreams did you have when you were younger? Do adults sometimes forget how to enjoy life? What advice would you give to your younger self? While listening to their answers, try to notice the connection between their experiences and the message of the little prince. Maybe you will realize that adulthood is not only about responsibilities and achievements. Sometimes adulthood is also about sacrifices, disappointments, loneliness, and challenge of staying human in a complicated world. Finally, after your interview, you will write a reflection paper. In your reflection, I want you to think deeply about this question. How did the interview help you understand the message of the little prince more deeply? Remember, there are no perfect answers in reflection writing. What matters most is honesty, sincerity, and your ability to connect literature to real human experiences. At the end of this lesson, I hope you realize that The Little Prince is not only about a childhood story, it's also a reminder for all of us that even as we grow older, we should never lose our capacity to dream, to care, and to see what is truly essential in life. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy watching The Little Prince.